Hello. After 2 weeks, I don't know, we are back with this game. I was like avoiding continuing with this game because most likely procrastinated, but since and uh, I didn't want to finish this game. I mean, yeah, I wasn't. I am not that motivated to finish this game, but since I was I am doing this design of computer programs. I wanted I was at the beginning very enthusiastic about having this game actually implemented as a web application instead of just having the backend or the algorithms involved in the game. Uh, Having the algorithms in place or the prototype in languages like Python or any other programming language is a good thing. But in the end, the final product, the final and always requires like even more parts. So yeah. Besides that, I have this set of tasks auto-imposed, and I didn't want to have yet another task without completion. Look at this. So if I didn't finish this thing, it will. I already have this bad habit of starting, at least these days, of starting books and not finishing. And it's not required because these books are just to consult some topics. But still, I didn't. I didn't want to leave this thing in this status. So I will make an effort to finish this little game. The only value for me in there is that I will practice some a little bit of front end development in this design and a little bit of JavaScript. It's not too heavy on concepts. Yeah, computing concepts. So let's see if we are able to finish this thing. I'm not sure it's today because I want to study some other topics, but I want to finish this thing. That's uh, I don't want to leave it like yet another unfinished idea. So I'm opening now another thing. In some previous videos, we were using in this series. I was using Notepad plus plus, and with the things that this great software arrives, we were able to reach this point. And I was always saying, uh, I want to set up a development environment. for weeks or months. I ended installing Visual Studio Code only after installing and being. So it doesn't matter what you use, it matters what you deliver to the users. You can use Notepad, but it's these tools assist you or help you to deliver faster. It's great. And all of these are great tools. You can run macros with this. I have one. This is about generating the uh, yeah, the basic HTML code, you know, boilerplate. Yeah, you can it has support for several programming languages, like a lot, Erlang. And this is great. But today I'm going to use NBin. So yeah, after always talking, I will shut up one of these days and becoming tired of talking, growing tired of talking. Like okay, after 7 minutes, we were able to start. A good thing of having this hiatus, this pause on this game. I would think a positive thing is that uh, we will have the opportunity to see how familiarized are with the code, how much time will take us to get into the flow again, and how much documentation we we have written because it is advised that one should write software, you know, code that helps you to get into a speed in the future. But perhaps this will change because AI is making lots of progress. People are making a lot of progress in AI systems. So it's possible for perhaps to have a piece of code or even a project. Let's open this, for example. Workshops, JS, pick. Let's see the status. We have, this is a bad thing because we need to make a commit. Commits should be like, small without being too small. And we have too much changes going on. But yeah, it is related to the fact that we didn't decompose this project in little tasks to be accomplished. It is not organized, so it was just all of a sudden, all of that emotion. Yeah, I will write this game. The initial boost of, dopamine, perhaps associated with the beginning of any given project. We need to find ways to sustain that energy throughout the project until the end. Yeah, back to our topic. we were saying that. So yeah, I configure this. I make a video in Spanish about how to accomplish this because if you understand English even a little bit, there are amazing resources, a lot of information available for English speakers, which is great. Okay, now what I was saying is that AI, of course, you should always try to write code to be readable in the future and great documentation, but I suppose AI systems will tell you what a project is about. In the future, you will making some queries over here, or even speaking with natural language processing, saying what this project is about, and the AI system will give you a summary of the project, or the overall project, and then if you open, I'm getting acquainted with this and being, I am not a power user of NVIDIA. Then you might ask the system, I want to modify this feature, and the AI system will tell you which file has the code associated with the feature you want to enhance, and perhaps open the file for you. You know, I have seen too much movies, too much fantasy in my head, perhaps, but I suppose it can be done if you have the resources and the training, most likely the computational resources. So again, we are trying to see where we are in here after 2 weeks. So since we don't have any AI in place, I will just try to remember and click on play, and nothing happens. We will see if there are some errors, and it says state is not defined. So a good starting point when trying to get. I was hearing this thing back in 2016. 2016. People saying debug it. Perhaps they meant to say run the project, but uh, yeah. So we need to fix this, and we have a clue here. Pick fish 518. So we got a starting point. A starting point now after in 14 minutes of talking. Okay, please don't get bored. I will try uh, to deliver cool content so you can, get entertained or learn something, which is this channel is about the effort behind failing. Yeah, I don't know the failure, the failures involved in a project. Also, I was trying just before this streaming. I was thinking that perhaps por- I don't want to portray myself because I am not an expert. I want to portray myself as a person who struggles a lot because that's the reality. And according to Judea Pearl, science is a struggle. So yeah, I like the effort behind a shiny product, and everybody can do this. Okay, stay And here again, in the Python algorithms, in the way Mr. Peter Norvig designed this, which is amazing, very simple, it's great. But in JavaScript, we don't have this luxury, so we ended with a class instead. These tuples will be amazing. Perhaps in the future, JavaScript will include it. And you can model tuple enhance on your own JavaScript with home, how do you say, homebrew uh, tuple for JavaScript, but some kind of library, but I don't want to do that. I want to finish this thing so I can come up with another idea. Yes. So, okay. You pick 518. State is not defined. Going to press J until we find pick, enter, and now we have line numbers. And we have these things which are playing wrong because I'm going to maximize this. This is how we configure and being, well, I don't know. Let's see some code action for this. How was, what was the, I don't even remember what we configured about the, sorry about this related stuff. I wish I hadn't started this game, by the way. I should, you know, but you know, because I have a game that I was uh, already doing, and that's a problem because uh, let me see if I can show you over here. I already was doing this. I was already doing this game. Look at this. Oh, this is about drag and drop. Yes, but what did I do? Since I was having troubles with the coordinate system, I stopped instead of documenting myself, which I already have the uh, information, the resources I have located, the resources about the coordinate systems for web for this canvas, but I haven't read it. But yeah, I was so I stopped I and then came with this thing, and then I stopped paused this thing. So I assumed um, I'm learning. I'm learning about myself. I shouldn't have started this implementation until this video game see the light. That won't happen again. And now I want to finish this because it's simpler. and then finishing. I won't start any other. I will. Yeah, learning about myself. This it's not a good idea to start anything new until you finish what you have already started, and it is not a good idea to push yourself too hard to finish something if you are suffering that you just leave it. As people say, programming should be fun. If you are torturing yourself with something, just just leave it. Be happy. But yeah, I'm doing too many things, as you can see. Clicking here and there and wasting your time. But if you are seeing this video in the future, it's because you like this content. Hopefully, how much time has passed? 21 minutes. We have one concluding video. Yeah, great. Thank you. What else? Yeah, okay. It was what's the line related code actions? I'm going to open all of this. This and I'm not sure how to come back to the Neo 3 panel once you have clicked enter. I, NBIN is very keyboard based, but I am able to click on here. But perhaps this is not the intention of these developers. Okay, control space, it's complete. Control R confirm. I was just copy pasting from the documentation. But there is another one about code actions. Abort is control E. Okay, because I was having problems yesterday. This thing was giving me some suggestions, and I wasn't able to cancel. But now I'm here. Leader CA. Okay, what's leader? That's in here. Leader is space. So it's a space CA. Let's see a possible space CA. Okay. So the suggestions are change spelling TV. That's not a good one. Let's try it, but it's obviously is wrong. Okay, now it's happy, but it's wrong. I'm going to. Hey, now let's. You see? So this thing is not like great. I was talking about this. So Control E. Okay, we were able to. But then again, Control is to replace a word. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to close this. So state is not defined. This is about implementing peak, but even when I am seeing state over here, I want to implement enhanced and being with go to implementation, which is a basic feature of any IDE. So while I can click over here, I want to implement this feature. So again, sorry if people were interested in video games and ended about a session of and being. It's all about me having fun, you know. Hopefully you like it. Okay, so in being can being all right. You know what? No, this is not the one. Uh, no, mine. It should be here. It isn't. It isn't. This is a leader. No, the scroll button is working too. I'm not sure if it should be made with the mouse. Okay, we will add here as go to definition, and we will add go to implementation over here. Okay, then see. Yeah, this guy's remove mappings. Oh, implementation. It was that simple. Yeah, this is not good. Very slow, yeah. Uh, Slow. I'm going to use I want a plugin that, close the braces. Oh my God. Wow, this thing is all about the keyboard. Okay, now I'm going to close this. It is not working. Let us try, with another file. This for example. I don't know how to make this work. Pressing. Oh, this, like, sorry if you, if you were here for the big implementation. I'm sorry, I'm just enhancing because this is good stuff. Uh, yeah, it's not working. This thing. I'm going to try. I know this works. Let's, for example, so I'm going to change. Maybe I'm not understanding how NBing thinks about implementation. We have GT. Okay, GD is working. So there is something wrong with implementation. Okay, so maybe I am not understanding what. Uh, GI. Okay, which one should we use to layer referee? This should working here. Oh my god. GI. I don't know how this works. What is intended to do? What's this? I think I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. Most likely is something with this code. Yeah. I don't know. Just the TS server. I will continue with NBIN for this session, and then in the next one use Visual Studio Code, which will be a great opportunity to set up Visual Studio Code to interact remotely with the Windows subsystem for Linux, which people are talking about some remote integration with this. So yeah, I will do that in the next session because the intention for this streaming was, implement PIC. So yeah. But I will take a look at what this thing is about. Okay. Once you start using the Debian, you want to use it everywhere. I was about to press some keys you know, to scroll down these webs, which is possible with the arrows, but it's not. with the J. Yeah, implementation. Perhaps CR. We don't have CR. Proof map. We don't have CR here. We are able to use it. There are lots of things. No, this is a lot. Let's forget about implementation for the time being. Help in the buff implementation. Unbelievable. Help being buff implemented list. I was misunderstanding. So implementation. Hover displays hover information about the symbol under the cursor in the plotting window. Currently function twice will jump it to the plotting window. Okay. List all implementations for the symbol under the cursor in the quick fix. Mm. So yeah, it says that it will show you the implementation in some window, quick fix window, which is great. But maybe you want to jump, as it says over here. Where is it? Yeah, definition. Look at this. Look at this definition. Oh, type definition. This is different. It jumps to the definition. There's another one. It's missing definition. Oh, here it is. Definition. Jumps to the definition of the symbol under the cursor. But it says jumps. Declaration. Like this is another topic for another video. I'm really sorry you have to see all of this when you wanted to see a video game. My bad. So let's quit this. Okay, now what? Um, which one? I don't want to say anything. Perhaps I messed up the thing. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm going to win it like this. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is like. I will see some other videos to see if people are able to, jump between files over here because even Notepad, you can be switching, like I'm too ignorant about NB. 1 hour without no code or pig. What a mess. I'm sorry. Okay, now let's get started. We have people over here. Well, one view. I'm not setting any alarm. My alarm will be like when I need to buy tortilla for the lunchtime. So yeah, no alarm. Yeah, big. Uh, okay. Okay, let's get started after 1 hour. Okay, so pick to double click. I don't care. So state is not. Why referee is not showing up underline like this? Referee. Okay. So no, no new state. This is the one. You know, in Swift, there are some named arguments, which you can say something like this. Well, uh, so you know what this thing is about, if I recall correctly. But it's okay. Okay. State. So no, we're not code actions over here. What's the problem? I'm receiving state goal player zero score, player one score, pending goal goal. Okay, this is cool. I also need a way to make this boilerplate be being generated, by the computer. So I don't think there is any problem in here. What's the problem? State is not defined. State is not defined. Look at this. How, we were talking about this, half an hour ago. Unbelievable. Okay, so let's click on index. So yeah, we have not include state. And let's click on big state. So right after the UI. And the file is called state. And the thing is happy again. Okay, it's my turn. Bro, another thing, we are working, uh, like we we're we are in the side, we are working in the machine side, so okay, this I can't believe I waste 1 hour of your time. I'm really sorry. I shouldn't engage. Taking a look at that thing, I have to decide where I put my attention because I am, you know, the computer is about to move. Computer, computer, computer. Digital computer is about to move. Where is this thing? Oh, I took a look at this thing. Digital computer is about to move. Okay. Decision. Okay. Decision is not defined. Sleep 1712. Here. Oh my, I can't believe I broke this. What is the problem? The problem is that it is not defined. I was thinking I was in Python. Let's use const. Since this will be a loop, uh, perhaps one. Okay, we're back in track after 1 hour. I'm sorry. My bad. Okay, okay. Digital computer is about to move. I need to hurry. I need to rush. I need to put some energy in this video so you can be energized. Because I am talking like, oh my God, you will fail asleep. Or maybe I should call this code ASMR, coding ASMR, so you can click on these videos and fall asleep. Other than that, I need to find a way to motivate you, to energize you, so you can leave these videos full of enthusiasm and saying, "Oh my God, I will do it too." I mean, I'm very happy now after seeing Caleb programming at the speed of light. Yeah, you know, I don't know how to do that. But yes, let's continue. All right, let's write something over here. Hold. Yeah, where is it? All right, console. Look at this. How this is a code completion machinery if there is no log in here. Let's try again with the console. I don't know about this. I don't know, like NetBeans, it's, I don't know, not supported by Oracle. Or maybe yes, I don't know. It's an Apache project these days, but it works, you know. And this thing works too. It's amazing. You know, lots of people use this NVIDIA. But I'm trying to write console. Look at this. This is not about trash talking NVIDIA, by the way. Don't get me wrong. Let's save this thing. Oh my God. Look at this. I am unable to save an empty file on Notepad++. There is no perfect tool, by the way. Look at Sublime. This is an empty file, Control S, and I am able to save. Nothing here. So I'm going to, save as, uh, where do we save this thing? Documents. Where is JavaScript? Yeah, JavaScript. Silly. Yeah. Save. Now I want to write console. Yeah, not fast plus flows. Love. Good. You see? Now where is Sublime? Where is Sublime? I'm going to choose JavaScript over here. JavaScript and start writing console. Oh, no recommendations. What happens JavaScript? Perhaps there is some. Let's save, Silly again. Now, console, please do it. What's a famous thing to do in JavaScript document? No? Okay. Get element. Oh my God. Get elements by tag name. Not that cool. Okay. Now the hyper famous, popular Visual Studio Code new file. It's been like 4 years since, no, three, yeah, 3 years, 2 years unemployed without using Visual Studio Code. Let's see if I am able to write something. Okay, super silly. Yes, and documents. Okay, we are JavaScript. Where is, okay, JavaScript. Now I want to document. Good. Get element by ID. All right, ID. And it's console. Log. All right. So yeah, and this feels very like writing. If you can say that about that software. Uh, what else is famous over here? Yeah, JavaScript, function. Finally, fetch, save. Okay, so maybe in the future we will be using Visual Studio Code, or I will take like another 3 hours, 5 hours to, like configure and being, but at the time being console. But it's cool. I mean, if you want to build muscle memory about some programming language, you can type You will be in good shape. You know, I misconfigured something. That's for sure. I am very ignorant in this and be most likely it's just pretension and pretending like, hey, I'm going to use that bean. But that's not the case. I was really looking for to set up a, an editor, and it was for me the right opportunity to get to know NBean. Since I am a neophyte, a beginner, novice in NBean, uh, I certainly didn't set up something with this, close completion. There is some, where is the Control X? Oh, oh my God, what's this? What did I do? Okay, well, we, okay, okay. So let's stop the trash talking and be in school. Look at this, how beautiful it looks. Okay, let's get rid of this and write console. Computer is all. Computer decided to hold. I was about to press Control S for in beam is escape. Come on, right. Maybe we can configure to be Control S. Perhaps NBN is not for me. Okay, yeah, okay. It is for me, but okay, computer decided to hold. Okay. I think I'm going to stop right now the stream and, you know, come back later with the task of being focused on big because I waste your time. I'm sorry. I'm going to change the title of this so it is not misleading people into this video. I'm going to write big game implementation wasted hour. But it's not wasted, it's a good learning experience. I like knowing things, so getting to know and being is good. But I am just typing the wrong titles. I will change it to 1 hour talking, zero code. That could be one. Realistic. Or don't do this. Stop talking. Write code. Could be another one. Because yeah, this is super waste of time. You know, I want to take a break, 5 minutes break. So I will finish this thing and come back. Yes, for sure. Yeah, because this was silly. And I'm going to use NBing in the next session, and then perhaps use Visual Studio Code in the upcoming session. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I'm really sorry. See you later. Bye.